Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to take a brief look at SAX handlers in VA Smalltalk, and using them is pretty much the same as using any arbitrary DOM parser. Just create your new validating or non-validating parser, hand it a content handler, and this guy is going to be a subclass eventually of this, ABT XML SAX default handler, and you have to load the XML support as I walked through last time. And what you want to do is you need to override a few methods. You notice here we have start element and does nothing. You want to override this to do some handling when you get a new element. And you have, of course, end element, which you want to do there. And you have start prefix mapping when you get something new there. So you have all the ability to handle new namespaces, starting an element, ending an element. To see how that kind of works, let's go down to this mapped content handler, and we'll see that we overrode characters. So it goes ahead and does some handling here. And it overrides start element. So it starts the element and processes the namespace for that element and does some things down here. End element comes through here and does some things there. So you can see these are really what you want to do. You want to override at least these methods when you're getting a new content handler and have it process things the way you want. So this is just kind of a brief overview of where you want to look to see what you have to do to create a SAX handler. In some of the future screencasts, what we'll do is we'll create a simple one for a simple XML file and walk through that. This is just a brief overview. Get started with this guy, look at the required APIs here, and take a look at some of the subclasses and see what they do. And there are some examples in here for handling specific things. You can see here it's a more involved example that you can go through in the documentation. So, that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.